Hello friends, welcome to SreeDeep Creations. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a fancy silk thread bangle. Materials required: a flat bangle. If you don't have flat bangle, take 3 thin bangles and paste it using fabric glue and keep it to dry for few minutes. A fabric glue, any colored silk thread. Here I had taken maroon color. Gold color ball chain, stone chain according to your bangle size, a cardboard or a pad to wrap silk thread, and scissor. Now let's get started. Take a cardboard or a pad and wrap 35 to 40 strands of silk thread in a cardboard. After wrapping 35 to 40 strands of silk thread, cut at the end and paste that end using fabric glue. Now paste these silk threads using fabric glue. Make sure that all silk threads are pasted well. Now take flat bangle and paste the glue inside layer of flat bangle and paste wrapped silk thread on that glue and start wrapping as shown in this video. While taking silk thread, make sure that all the silk threads are in the same straight line. Then we get a perfect bangle. Please watch this video till end. If you skip in the middle, you can't able to understand. Watch this video carefully. In the same way, wrap these silk threads in the straight line. Don't wrap all silk threads. Stop until you get the silk thread strands below than 5 cm and then apply fabric glue and paste. After pasting, cut as shown in the video. Paste the silk threads carefully and cut as shown in this video. Now half bangle has completed. Now in the same way, take 35 to 40 strands of silk thread. Now apply glue inside part of bangle and start wrapping as the same way. Now continue this process until whole bangle covers with threads and paste glue and cut remaining thread. 70% of your bangle is ready. Now apply glue in middle of the bangle using fabric glue and paste the stone chain. Now apply glue on both sides of stone chain and paste golden color ball chain. Allow this bangle to dry for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes of rest, the glue marks will disappear. This maroon color bangle will be perfect match with maroon color saree and other maroon color dresses. I have a few more collections of bangles made by me in different varieties of colors. I will introduce them in next video. I hope you like this maroon color bangle. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, share, comment and please subscribe to SreeDeep Creations. Thank you.